Welcome back to session 21 of GED Advanced Graphs and Functions. Today we build models, equations that describe real situations like phone plans, gym fees, and savings. The secret is simple. The starting amount becomes the intercept, and the repeated change becomes the slope. Let's build one slowly, step by step. A model is just a rule that captures a real situation in math. It lets you predict, compare, and answer questions without guessing. For a situation with a fixed starting amount and a steady repeated change, a linear model fits perfectly. Y equals the starting value plus the rate times x. Words in, equation out. Every model starts by naming your variables. Decide what the input is and what the output is, and give each a letter. If cost depends on months, let M stand for months, the input, and let C stand for cost, the output. Writing down what each letter means keeps the whole problem clear. Next, find the two key numbers. The starting value is the amount before anything changes, the fixed part. The rate is how much it changes for each 1 unit of the input, the repeated part. Look for a fixed fee and a per something charge. The fixed fee is your intercept. The per something is your slope. Let's model a gym that charges $20 to join plus $15 each month. Step 1. Define variables. Let M be months and C be cost. Step 2. The fixed fee is $20, so the intercept is 20. The monthly charge is $15, so the rate is 15. Step 3. Write the model. C equals 20 plus 15M. Now let's use the model to answer a question. What is 6 months cost? Substitute M equals 6 into C equals 20 plus 15M. That gives C equals 20 plus 15 times 6. 15 times 6 is 90, and 20 plus 90 is 110. So 6 months costs $110. The model did the work. A good model comes with meaning. In C equals 20 plus 15M, the 20 is the cost before any months pass, the joining fee. The 15 is how much the cost climbs each month, the monthly rate. Always translate your intercept and slope back into the words of the situation. 3 traps. First, do not switch the fixed fee and the rate. The fixed fee is the intercept and the per unit charge is the slope. Second, keep your units attached throughout. Third, do not force a linear model onto a multiplying situation like doubling. Define carefully and the model behaves. Let's lock it in. A model turns a situation into an equation. Define your input and output, find the fixed starting value for the intercept, and the repeated rate for the slope. Write y equals start plus rate times x, then use it and interpret the answer in context. Modeling, made clear. Wonderful work today. You can now build a linear model from a real situation and use it to answer questions. Your mastery check is the 10 practice questions for this session. For each one, define your variables, find the start and the rate, then write and use the model. To read the full lesson notes and practice more GED graphs and functions questions, visit the course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. I will see you in session 22, where we read the stories that graphs tell. Keep going. You are doing great.